Hey guys, today I'm going to tell you how to fix black spots on screen in Samsung Galaxy S25. If you're using Galaxy S25 and you're facing the issue of that on your phone screen, you might having some black spots like here, there, or anywhere on your screen. So let's see some possible fixes for this. So the very first thing I recommend you have a single way for this. The second way is to repair your touch screen physically. So the very first way, you just have to simply go to settings app, and once you are in settings, just scroll down, go to software update, click on check for updates, and make sure that you're connected to internet using your Wi-Fi or cellular data. And once you updated your software, you just have to go back from here. And after updating software, I recommend you one more step. You can try go to apps here, click on search, and search for one. You might get one UI home. Just click on it. Scroll down, go to battery storage here, click on clear cache, then click on clear data. And once you're done, just go back, and here it might take a few moments to load your home screen, because sometimes it might be that there will be any glitch with your home app or with your home screen, or there's a app and your system which got one UI home. So sometimes it might be glitched, which can be easily fixed in this step. So after doing this, your issue might have been fixed. If it's still not fixed your issue, so there's a single way to make a forced restart. Now for this, just press and hold your volume down and the power button for almost 15 seconds. That's it. You have to press and hold your volume down and the power button for almost 15 seconds here. The very first thing, you might get a black screen here. So just wait for black screen. After black screen, you'll see a Samsung logo, and once you see a Samsung logo, just release the buttons and wait for your phone until it restarts. It will make a force restart your phone, which might take longer than usual, so you just have to wait for this. And after a force restart, it will fix if there will be any software glitch or any technical error with your phone. It might be fixed in this step, so just wait for until it restarts. And once your phone has been restarted, you just have to retry to check if your issue has been fixed or not. So your issue might have been fixed, but if it's still not fixed your issue, so you have to check if your screen is physically damaged, or if you might get that if your phone screen is physically damaged, so you have a single way. You just have to try to change your screen. So if you try to repair it physically, like if you have anything else, like you try to fix only the specific spot, so it might be that your phone's screen totally broken or your phone's panel also be damaged. So once your phone panel is damaged, your phone is nothing. So it's that's not just you can repair your panel, but it will not get you such performance. So I recommend you have to change your phone screen to get a better performance of your phone or to use it after a while. Thank you very much for watching the video. Until next video, bye bye.